I'm a best-selling author and a high-performance business coach. Before Vi, I'd always been involved in teaching people how to live a healthy, wealthy, and wise life. I'm an African. I came into Europe with my family because my husband works for a company and we're transferred to Europe. On getting to Europe, I realized I needed to have something to do. I was not used to just staying at home, doing nothing. So I had to search online for what can I do. And that's why I learned how to become a life coach. But not just become a life coach, but to specialize. So I specialized in business coaching. And in being a business coach, I realized I needed to do something different. And for me, was to get people to live to make maximum impact in life. So I studied and I'm certified as a high performance business coach, which is what I do.